In this video, we'll walk you through how to view your Gmail password on a PC or laptop. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've forgotten your Gmail password and want to check it, here's how you can do that. We'll be using a browser, and many browsers store your passwords in their password manager. Since different browsers work differently, I'll show you how to do it in Chrome. First, open up your browser and go to your settings. In Chrome, you'll find this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. From there, click on Settings. Once you're in the settings, look for Passwords on the left-hand side. Click on it, and it will take you to the Password Manager. Here, you'll see a list of saved passwords. Since Gmail is a Google service, it will likely show up as Google. Click on it, and you'll see the option to view your password by clicking on the eye icon. And that's it! You can now see your saved Gmail password. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips.